Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay from Little Kitchen and I'm here to bring you some at-home recipes using our channel Virtual Little Kitchen. You can find us on YouTube or on Facebook. Join our group and keep posted. We will post one a week, so we will bring you recipes that you can do with your little one or you can facilitate together with me at home. We will also bring you some tips and easy to do techniques for your kids at home. Our first recipe is banana sushi. Our bananas have a little bit of spots on them, which doesn't mean that they're not okay to use. It just means that they are ripe. Bananas are an excellent source of energy as well as potassium. The other ingredients you will need is bread. You can use any bread that you like. If you are gluten intolerant, there are awesome substitutes as well that you can use. Cinnamon, again, whatever brand you want. If you do not like cinnamon, you also can substitute with another spice or you can leave it out completely. Peanut butter. Our peanut butter that we use is the last ingredient is honey. You can use any form of honey. And remember, honey doesn't ever go off. So if you have honey in your cupboard, you can keep it forever. We've always been very cautious about
let's get started
before we make food. So we're going to teach you our little kitchen washing hand song. Okay, let's go, guys.
Top and bottom, in between, all around our hands, wash them clean.
We do this twice and then we rinse with fresh water and dry our hands on our very own aprons. First up, we're going to take our bread and we're going to roll it flat using a roller. If you don't have a roller, you can use your hands just to press it flat. Okay, let's show if we didn't have a roller how we would press it flat. Okay, we just press it flat just to give it a little bit of a flatter surface to work on. Okay, that's nice and flat. Okay, now we're going to break off the crusts. Or you can cut them using your kitty cutter. Okay, remember when we cut with a kitty cutter or any other knife, we use the sawing action. That just gives them an idea of the correct way of cutting. Next step is to combine I've added the peanut butter and the honey, and they're going to mix it using their kitty cutter. So if you guys can mix your peanut butter and your honey together. Okay, this just gives a nice texture, nice flavor. And we've got the peanut butter that has chia seeds and flaxseed in it. So obviously you can use any peanut butter, whatever they prefer. Okay, so we're going to mix it all together. Make sure all the honey is dissolved into the peanut butter. If you do not like peanut butter, you can replace with tahini, or you can use any peanut butter that you prefer, or any nut butter. If you again don't like any type of butter, nut butter, you can use normal butter as well. Okay, once your peanut butter and your honey is combined, we're going to scoop it up and spread it on our bread. So let's scoop, guys. Remember, you can use your kitty cutter just to scrape it off and spread it.
Mommy, I didn't do that. I was like this.
Okay, spread it. Good job. You can even use your spoon to spread it. You don't need to spread it with the kitty cutter. We're going to peel the banana. Remember, a banana has its very own casing, so you don't even have to keep it in a plastic bag. You can just keep it on your shelf just like that. Okay, we're going to peel the banana now. Okay, try keep it intact so that it's in one piece. Well done. Again, you can keep these for your compost heap. You can also use them on your skin if you get a bite. Did you know that? An insect bite. Okay, now we can top and tail our banana. So cut the top and the bottom off. You can leave these on if you guys like to eat them.
What?
You can also give them to the birdies if you don't want to eat them. Okay, then we're going to place our banana in the middle of our peanut butter bread. Okay, and we're going to roll it up. Next, we're going to place our banana in the middle of our bread, and we're going to sprinkle the top of our bananas with some cinnamon or any other spice that you guys like. Okay, we're just adding a little bit of flavor to it so that it's really, really extra yummy and extra good for you. Did you know cinnamon is really good for you? Now we're going to roll up our banana into our little blanket bread to make a little piggy in a blanket. Okay.
Hot dog, hot dog.
Okay, once it's all rolled up, we're going to cut it with our kitty cutter into 4 pieces of sushi. Great job, guys. Remember to let them count as well. Count the pieces. Okay, there's your 4 pieces of yummy sushi. So we have our bread, which is our carbohydrate. We've got our peanut butter, which is a protein. And you guys, now we have our yummy snack. We can also eat this as a full lunch because we've got all our food groups present. We've got our carbohydrate, which is our bread. We've got our fruit, which is our banana, which is also a great form of potassium. We've got our peanut butter, which is a protein. We've got our honey, which is a really good antibacterial and just yummy sweetness. And we've got our cinnamon, which also has extreme health benefits. So thanks, guys. Well done. Is it yummy? Would you make this again? Would you? What would you use different? In case you were wondering what we were using, these are the kitty cutters that we use in our program. They are imported from Australia, so they have done all the safety tests in Europe. And you will see that they cut food and they don't cut fingers. So they are extremely safe. They're dishwasher safe, BPA free, and you can find them online on my website, littlekitchen.co.za with a dash in the middle. We've also got those chopsticks that you saw. So if you have a look online, you'll see our chopsticks are there as well. And they are really great for fine motor skills in all ages. You can also use them in different ways. I will bring you more of that next time.